In this video, we're going to look at how to get started with screencasting and make your first screencast with Screencastify. So here I am in my Chrome browser, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that extension I just installed for Screencastify. Now the first time you click on it, a new tab will open and it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. You want to keep this selected, the automatically save videos to Google Drive. This is a super great feature of Screencastify, and it'll really save you a lot of time going and looking for videos that you've made. So go ahead and click Sign In with Google. Your Google account should pop up if you're in your Chrome browser. If not, go ahead and sign in. Say Allow. So there's a couple of permissions you'll want to set. So you want to allow Screencastify to use your camera and microphone, and you're going to want it to allow drawing and annotation tools. So just say Next, and then Allow. And then one more time, you'll need to allow for microphone and camera. This is you telling the Chrome browser now that you're going to allow this. And then I am an educator. And whatever level of education, I'll go ahead and say grade school. And that's it. So now you have Screencastify installed. So we're going to pretend like I'm making a screencast of this screen. So this little pop-up comes up the first time. It won't come up every time. But click the orange arrow icon in your toolbar to get started. So let's go ahead and click that. This window pops up. I want it to record either a desktop, which would be all of my screen, or a browser tab, which would be just the browser tab that's open, or a webcam or whatever. So you can embed the webcam and it'll bring up your picture. You can choose desktop and it'll be your entire screen. You notice as I'm talking, the microphone is picking up my voice. That's a good sign. If you have multiple microphones, you can choose them here. And then click record. So then this window comes open. If you want it to be your entire screen, you can see here, this is more screen than you're actually seeing in this video because I'm recording just this area in this screencast video. You can choose the entire screen. If you want it to be the application window, then that would just be the window that I'm in. So I'm going to do that and say share. You get a countdown. And now Screencastify is recording my voice. It's watching my movements. I could click, for instance, Go Unlimited. And it would give me an opportunity to buy the unlimited version or stay with the free version. Show education discounts. You can see some discounts here, right? The important thing is I'm making a screencast of me making a screencast. So let's pretend like my video is done. And I'm going to come up here to Screencastify. I'm going to click it again. And I'm just going to click the stop button. The next thing that happens is your video opens up. This is the video that I made. I'm going to go ahead and just skip this tour, although you may want to go through that yourself. And so this is now the video of me making a video. So if I hit the play button, and now Screencastify is recording my voice. It's watching my movements. I could click, for instance, Go Unlimited, and it would give me an opportunity to buy the unlimited version or stay with the free version. Show education discounts. So there's my screencast video, and now right here is copy shareable link. All I have to do is click this, and the link for this video is in my computer memory, and now I can paste that in an email. I can use it in a Google Doc. I can do anything I want. I have other options too. If you use Google Classroom, if you want to publish to YouTube, if you want to download it, if you want to export it. So there's plenty of other options here. Screencastify is a fairly robust screencast tool, but just for the quick and easy explainer videos, just copy the shareable link. It has already been saved in your Google Drive in a folder called Screencastify. Now, you may want to name it, and so if you want to name it, kind of like a Google Doc, you just hover over, and then you can name the video. Otherwise, they'll all be kind of date stamped and untitled. So it's a good idea to save them As soon as you type it, it's saved. If you want to edit it, you can open it in Editor and clip off the end or trim it or whatever you want to do. But there you go. There's your very first screencast.